Imagine walking through a dense jungle, a snowy tundra, or a vibrant coral reef. Completely unaware that some of nature's most incredible creatures are watching you, perfectly concealed. Camouflage is nature's ultimate game of hide and seek, and these animals are the undisputed champions. Below, we present the top 20 species that have perfected the art of blending in. 20. Pygmy Seahorse. This tiny seahorse blends with Gorgonian corals in the Indo-Pacific, its body mimicking coral's color and texture, clinging with a prehensile tail. Purpose: to avoid predators by mimicking coral, staying safe due to its tiny size and perfect disguise. 19th. Great Gray Owl. Its gray and brown feathers mimic tree bark and lichen. Blending into North American and Eurasian forests, it hunts silently, undetected by small mammals. 18. Polar bear. The polar bear's white fur blends with Arctic snow and ice, allowing it to stalk seals. Its fur reflects sunlight, making it nearly invisible in bright conditions. 17. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish change color and texture to blend into sandy or rocky sea floors, using chromatophores to match coral, sand, or algae found in Indo-Pacific waters. 16. Desert horn lizard. Its sandy-colored skin mimics desert pebbles and soil, making it invisible to predators like hawks. Its spiky texture enhances its disguise in North American deserts. 15. Peacock mantis shrimp. This vibrantly colored shrimp blends into coral reefs, hiding among corals and algae. Found in the Indo-Pacific, it ambushes prey with lightning-fast strikes. 14th, Antarctic Fur Seal. The fur seal's gray and brown coat blends with Antarctica's rocky shores, helping it avoid predators like orcas and rest undisturbed. 13th, Flounder. Flounder change color to match sandy or rocky ocean bottoms, blending in to avoid predators and ambush prey. They can mimic patterns like pebbles or algae patches. To hunt prey by ambushing fish and crustaceans, and to avoid predators by blending into sand or rocks.
12.
Green vine snake. This emerald green snake looks like a vine or branch in South Asian jungles. Its slender body and pointed snout enhance the illusion, allowing it to ambush birds and lizards. 11. Leaf Katydid. Leaf katydids mimic leaves, with wings showing fake veins and weathered edges. Found in tropical forests, to avoid predators by blending into vegetation, and to hunt smaller insects using spines. 10. Stonefish. The stonefish mimics coral or rocky ocean floors, lying in wait for prey. Found in Indo-Pacific waters, it's one of the most venomous fish. Hunt prey by lying in wait for fish, and to avoid predators using its venomous spines. Ninth, Satanic leaf-tailed gecko. Native to Madagascar, this gecko's tail looks like a curled dried leaf with faux veins. It clings to forest floors or trunks, blending into leaf litter to avoid detection. Eight, crab spider. Crab spiders are floral ninjas. They change color to match flowers, often yellow or white, to ambush pollinating insects. Found worldwide, their disguise makes them invisible to prey and predators. 7. Amazon leaf frog. The Amazon leaf frog's green, translucent skin blends into South American rainforest canopies. From below, it mimics dappled light through leaves, making it nearly invisible to birds and snakes. Six, dead leaf butterfly. When closed, the dead leaf butterfly's wings look like a dried leaf, complete with vein-like patterns. Native to Asia, it hides among forest floor leaves, making it nearly impossible for predators to spot. 5. Leafy Sea Dragon. The Leafy Sea Dragon looks like floating seaweed. Found in Australia's southern coast, its leaf-like appendages mimic algae and kelp, providing perfect camouflage among coral reefs. Young ones are vulnerable to crustaceans and fish. Fourth, stick insect. Stick insects look like a twig experts. Their slender, branch-like bodies blend into foliage, swaying to mimic plants in the breeze. Some have bark or lichen-like markings, making them nearly invisible to predators. 3. Mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is the ultimate impersonator of the ocean. Found in the Indo-Pacific, it changes color, shape, and behavior to imitate sea snakes, jellyfish, or flatfish. Fooling predators and blending into coral reefs or sandy floors. 2. Glass squid. These deep-sea squids have transparent, gelatinous bodies with bioluminescent organs to blend into the dark ocean. To avoid predators like whales by becoming nearly invisible, and to hunt small prey by sneaking up undetected in the deep sea. Number 1. Chameleon. Ever wonder how a chameleon vanishes into thin air, blending seamlessly with its surroundings like a living illusion? Chameleons change skin color to match surroundings or communicate using chromatophores, to avoid predators by blending into trees and leaves, and to sneak up on insect prey. That's why the chameleon reigns as #1 in the top 20 masters of animal camouflage.